And professionalism.
Look, walk in the building, flow look rough. Old wax yellow, got years of stuff. Grab the stripper, lay it down thick. Let it break that wax, let it work real quick. Auto scrubber moving, black pass spin. Pulling old, finish up from deep within. Corners and edges, we don't miss that. Every square foot get clean like that. Strip it down, bring that shine around. S&M got the process right, turning those floors bright tonight. Yeah, wax it up, let that finish feel. When the lights hit that VC2, that's professional appeal. Yeah, no rinse, now the flow's clean. No residue left nowhere to be seen. First coat down, let it dry just right. Second coat follow, now it's looking bright. Third coat, fourth coat, build that gloss. Protect your investment, that's worth the cost. High traffic hallways, offices too. S&M Cleaning know what to do. We don't rush to shine, we do it one coat at a time. Strong protection, crystal clear. Professional flows all through the year.
Yeah, varnish a hit with a powerful glow. Mirror-like finish everywhere you go. Employees smile when they walk inside. Clean sleep, quality, professionalism, pride. Schools, churches, offices, bringing fresh life back to walnut floors. From Nashville, Tennessee to Atlanta, S&M Cleaning, get it done every day. Strip it.
Wax it, bring that shine back, S&M Cleaning Service, leaving every floor looking strong.
S&M Cleaning Service 84-4. S&M clean double.
S&M Cleaning Service, professional clean you can trust.